This is 1 hectare of land, and it measures 100 meters by 100 meters. With 2 meters by 2 meters spacing, you can plant 2,500 plantains on it, and each bunch sells between 4,000 naira and 6,000 naira per bunch, but I sell at 4,000 naira per bunch to attract more customers. That gives a total revenue of 10 million naira per harvest. And in this video, I will show you the full process from land clearing to harvest and sales, so you will know exactly how to succeed in plantain farming. The type of land you need for plantain is the land that is rich in loamy soil and has a lot of water, but not as much as that of rice and not as little as that of corn, but in between. That's why you see some fish farmers plant plantain around their fish pond, and also you see some farmers plant plantain by the side of the river, because plantain needs an abundant amount of water. And for you to clear your 1 hectare of land, it will cost you around 40,000 naira to clear your 1 hectare of land, because you need 10 people to clear 1 hectare of land in a day, and each person is being paid around 4,000 naira in my area. So that amounts to 40,000 naira to clear your 1 hectare of land. The best spacing for your plantain is 2 meters by 2 meters, which gives you about 2,500 plantain stands per hectare. And the best type of plantain suckers to plant is the hybrid, which the best I know personally is the Peter series, which you will get from IITA, the International Institute for Tropical Agriculture. They are a non-governmental agency and they are widespread in Africa. So even in Nigeria, they are very common. I will drop their information in the description below so that you can contact them. Each plantain sucker costs about 200 naira per sucker, and you will need about 2,500. So that amounts to 500,000 naira in suckers alone. So the way you plant the plantain sucker is to make sure the suckers stand upright with the corm fully covered in soil, and you have to water immediately if the soil is dry. Water this soil immediately because plantain needs an abundant amount of water. Weeding is very, very, very important in plantain because the plantain needs an abundant amount of nutrients. So if you don't weed, the weeds are going to take the nutrients from the soil and your plantain will have small bunch. And the amount of times you have to weed is at 2 months, 4 months, and 7 months. And each weeding costs about 40,000 naira. It will cost you about 10 laborers to weed your 1 hectare of farmland, and each is being paid around 4,000 naira in my area. So that amounts to 40,000 naira. So weeding for 3 times amounts to 120,000 naira per season. And also you can apply mulch. What mulch is just you basically adding dry leaves or grasses at the roots of the plantain to avoid weeds from growing, and also you trap moisture at the roots of the plantain. Plantain is a heavy feeder, which means it needs a lot of nutrients. So you need about 2 kilograms of poultry manure. That's either the one from battery cage or deep litter system. And that's 5 tons for your 2,500 plantains in 1 hectare. And each ton costs about 70,000 naira, because the way we buy it is about 3,500 naira per 50 kg bag. So that's, if you calculate it, that's 350,000 naira in total for your poultry manure. And also you can mix wood ashes, the ashes from wood, for potassium, because potassium is needed for big roots, is needed for root development. That's what you see in NPK. The K is potassium. So you need potassium from wood ashes, like ashes, just normal wood ashes. It's basically free. You can fetch it and add to the stands of your plantain to get big plantain. For diseases, the most common and most deadly plantain disease is black leaf streak, and it's also called black sigatoka. This is the type of disease that causes dark lines. You see dark lines on the leaves, and it's very deadly. It can reduce your yield by 50%. Half of your plantain can be gone. And to prevent it, you need to spray Z-Force fungicide. It's a fungicide. It's a small, you can buy it like 1 kg. So look at, when you buy the fungicide, Z-Force is very important because there are a lot of fake fungicides in the market. So when you go to the shop, ask for Z-Force and look at the back, and it will tell you the way to spray if these diseases happen. But most of the times, this disease can be avoided if you weed your farm very well. But if you just notice the disease in your farm, apply Z-Force fungicide. For your plantain to mature very well, you need to wait for about 9 to 12 months. But if you use the Peter series, at max 9 months, your plantain will be ready for harvest. So what you should do is to harvest the bunch of plantain, then you cut the mother stem, that is the main stem, because you will see some suckers around the plantain. So those suckers should be removed, except the biggest and strongest one. So you see, most of the times you see about 5 to 7 suckers around the plantain. It should be removed even before harvest. It should be removed. All should be removed except the best one. The best one should be kept, and all should be removed from that place, so that you have another plantain growing from that exact same spot. You don't need to plant it again. And that sucker would have the root system of that first plantain. So that sucker would grow very, very fast since its roots is already established. Selling your plantain is the most important part of plantain farming. The way I do sell my plantain is to restaurants and plantain chips makers. And I have some colleagues who do sell to hotels, caterers, and so on. And the reason why I put my price at 4,000 naira per month is to attract more customers, because you don't want your plantain to spoil. And plantain spoils very fast. In 1 to 2 weeks of harvest, your plantain can get spoiled. So you have to sell your plantain very fast. So now here's the full breakdown per hectare. That is if you already have your land. But if you don't have your land, you have to include the money that you use to rent or buy your land in this full breakdown. So first, the land clearing, which is 40,000 naira. Then the plantain suckers, that is 2,500 plantain suckers at 200 naira each, which is 500,000 naira. Then weeding, which is for the 3 times you weed, that is 40,000 naira times 3, that is 120,000 naira. Then poultry manure, 5 tons of poultry manure, which is 350,000. Then your fungicide, Z-Force to be precise, which is about 20,000 naira. Then miscellaneous, which is like tools, your watering and transport, which is about 200,000 naira. Then your entire cost is about 1,230,000 naira, and your revenue is 10 million naira. That's if you sell at 4,000 naira per bunch. Then the profit from everything is 8,770,000 naira per harvest.